Inheritance Series number 1. These are messages dedicated to my amazing adult children. Adult children, it's such a weird term because you're not children anymore. You're all grown up, and I'm having to grieve over this some because I miss having you all together living in my home. But at the same time, I'm excited about your new adventure as adults. This series is also for my wonderful son-in-law, McGuire, and all who will join our family in the future. I wish I could teleport you all to my living room once a week to spend time together, but maybe all of this time apart will make us treasure times together and make those times really precious in the future. I've been thinking a lot about the word inheritance. I think as Dad and I grow older, we really talk about things like the best way to leave financial things to all of you, but inheritance is so much more than just leaving money to you, but it's about leaving a legacy. So in the weeks ahead, maybe years ahead, I want to share with you more of my life story. I want to share with you mistakes that I've made as well as victories that I've had in my life. And some of this information I couldn't share with you as children, and maybe you aren't quite ready for it. And maybe I wasn't quite ready to share it with you. But today I want to start with things in my life that I do not regret. Number 1, I don't regret marrying your wonderful dad. He's been such a blessing to me and to us throughout the years. Number 2, I never regret getting you 3 amazing children. You've brought such joy and laughter and sometimes tears to my life. I would never want to live this life without any of you. The third thing that I will never regret, that I don't regret, is spending time reading the Bible and praying every day, really spending time trying to figure out how to love God with all of my heart. And the fourth thing I don't regret is loving others. Sometimes that's kind of painful. Sometimes it's sacrificial. But in the end, it's been such a gift to me to be able to love others. Not that I always do it well, but my goal in life is to do it better every day. And so just share with you my life verse is Matthew 22:37-39. Lastly, I just want to say that as growing into adults, you will have many painful things happen in your life. That's just living life, and you'll make many mistakes and probably some wrong choices, just like I have. But through all of that, I just want you to know that I will always love you and that you are so amazingly valuable to every part of my life. So, love you so much.